couple videos ago. This was leaking. Oh, it's leaking bad now. I tried to save it, but it held for like a week and then just started leaking again. So, Miles! Molly. Hey, Miles. Yeah, so it's leaking pretty bad. So we're gonna replace it out. Okay. It's the electrical cord. And then I'm going to set that right there for the time being. And let me clean up some of this wah-wah. Okay. Keep those wire nuts. Okay. Good enough for me for now. We're not going to need this power cord since it's hardwired. Oh, you know what? I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me take the strainer out. There was another one by the Laugh Factory or there was a restaurant right there that had the best pastrami sandwiches.
Oh man!
That I've ever.
For 2 hours and taking home a few grand stuff. You can make my outfit. Yeah, why not? But
Exactly. Oh, it's leaking right here.
Yeah.
Oh, do you have a little
A rag or something?
the freaking thing right here is cracked.
Oh, jeez.
It's the drain. The disposal's not leaking, but the drain is.
Is this a new drain or a new?
No, that's old.
Oh.
Look at him
So that's
looking.
a third leak then, I guess. But
Damn.
the disposables on its own, right?
The disposal's not leaking.
Right.
But I have a plastic one of these in the truck. It's not a big deal. I can replace it. Quit bagel. Yeah, it was leaking from the bottom right here.
Damn. That must.
No leaks. That solved it.